Okay, this is the first print on the sandwich200v2 compact folding printer, duet, 24 volts, well, 350 watt power supply, E3Dv6 hot end with a volcano upgrade, a Motley 3D Flex3Drive, which seems to be working really well. Totally cool. I'm not running at particularly high speeds at the moment. It's I haven't quite got the Z-Bed leveling right, so a bit of a dog's dinner on that. It's a really odd sound. Yes, really, that is sideways. Yes, that is lying on the top there. Yeah, I want it working and stuff. These are 5-year-old stepper motors that's been a bit overstressed, shall we say. Seem to be doing alright. That extruder is dead silent. It's the X and Y that are particularly noisy. I'm going to see in a bit how that comes out. The belts, I have put a single twist in the back here so that this is on the outer of the bearings. So it's outer here, inner the teeth there, not happy about that, inner teeth there, against the gear, outer teeth there, outer there, thing. So not one day I'll replace this with a GT2 tooth idler, and that one likewise as well. Same on that corner and on there, over there as well. Seems to be doing alright. This is the very first print. Yeah, I know, it's making a hell of a racket and thing. Quality wise it seems to be coming out alright. I've got the speed settings a bit low at the moment. We'll up those in a minute. Let's see how I get on. Seems to be reasonably accurate. This is a 0.6 nozzle, 0.6mm nozzle, which is quite large. 0.3mm layer height, so the idea is to be able to run really fast. I want speed. I want speed and I want accuracy. Triple drive screws, triple lead screws by the way, 1, 2, 3, and monster 12mm uprights. Rods. Yeah, that's what they're called. LM12 UU bearings. I got fed up with the fact that the 8mm ones on sandwich V1 just weren't up to the job. I was like, right, where are you going with those? It's hinged. I can get that out right here. The hinge is there and there, in orange, and it's hinged on the green piece. Okay, so it comes off here, you pop that out, and the bed will drop down, and then these lead screws, both of those lead screws have got sockets on the bottom inside here. Those little sockets there, those just pop out. And the whole thing will come out and stowed. Yeah, really, that motor really is upside down at an angle of 45 degrees. That was the only way that I could get it to fit without hitting these two as it comes down. It just misses, barely misses. But yeah, that has the advantage that you can tension the belt with it. It's got a bearing here, so it's turning about that. It's kind of cool. It's a plumbing rattling in it. Anyway, yeah. I'll take some photographs. I'll do some inspect these parts and see how they come out. This is kind of cool.